Yes. Okay, we're now at Quest Hotel. Okay, this is our room for an overnight staycation. This is the bathroom. Separate shower. Wow. Very nice. Na may bidet? Oh, there is a bidet. Okay. Toiletries. Okay, your blower. Okay, very nice. Beside the door is full-length mirror. Oh, nitago ang akong sponsor. Sliding door, ha?
Nari sa tubig mo eh.
Oh. There's microwave. Safety deposit. Dayon, personal ref. Okay. With 2 single beds. Wow. Spacious po doy. Big TV.
3,000 naman siguro ni.
3,000 per night? Okay.
Mas mahal pa tong park lane at kartaan na kaayo.
Working desk. Our view from the hotel is... Hala, saan eh? Oh! Ayala Center gid. It's night.
Ay lang talang
So, dagan siya og saksakanan. Ang bedside table. May phone, may control. Lampshade. Wow. It's very good for a 3,000 per night. So, enough na good. Quest Hotel. So, split type aircon. So, this is it. Nice one.